Hey everybody, happy Saturday. Hope everyone's having a wonderful weekend so far. So I'm at my parents' house. I'm always at my parents' house doing a couple things. And we've been helping a lot of folks since this promotion got released where you can get $100. You can get $50 off immediately, and then you can get a $50 rebate, pretty much within 24 hours after the promotion ends. And the promotion ends, and that's why I'm on here. The promotion ends in about 9 hours. So if you are looking to elevate your trading game, the consistency, the entry models that you practice on, I have a couple webinars that we did the last couple days, and we're running out of time because none of the promotions so far have been as discounted as this one, where you get $50 right away off the top, and 24 hours later after the promo ends, you're going to get another $50. That's how confident we are in what we're doing here. We've been a trading team for 9 years, 8.5. We're going on our 9th year. And we're really, really happy that we can help so many folks. And of course, there's the legalese, there's no income guarantees. We want you to come in and practice on a demo account. But if you follow what we lay out, then you can develop some consistency. We have 9 trading scanners. We have vetted educators in the platform. And we're just a special group. And so if you're looking, the one thing that I always, and I've got a lot of experience, I've helped a ton of people over the years, what I always see with folks, especially during this kind of time period right now, is that there's so many distractions, right? It's summer vacations, it's travel sports if you've got kids, and that never stopped me, right? I was a travel coach. I had a son playing baseball and I had a daughter playing softball during the summer. It did not stop me from trading. It did not stop me on my goals as to where I wanted to be as a trader and helping folks in this trading community. And what happens is there's just folks get their distractions. They just get in the way, right? And what's going to happen, and it happens every year, and this is me being honest because I've done this, so I've experienced it. I've experienced folks who want to get in right now, and then in a month when there's no promotion, they have to pay the full price, right? Because as we get closer to summer ending, what happens is it's already busy. I mean, we're crazy busy now because of this promotion. But generally, when we get to late in the summer, then folks start to think, oh, shoot, I really need to learn this trading skill or a side hustle or an extra gig because I've got this to pay for, rent, house, food, mortgage, travel sports, fall sports, all that kind of stuff. And you don't want to start late in the game. You want to start now, get the discount, right? And if there's a day that maybe you can't get on the charts or you just got a busy day, that's okay. But, be diligent and get on board now and start your journey so that you're closer to whatever your trading goals are by the time you get to the fall. And we're going to be jumping, and I want to help you, but you've got to want to help yourself. I mean, if you do the steps, right, it's just like, let me show you something. So this is the tree in the back of my parents' house, and it's a massive tree, but it started out as a seed. That's it. Just started out as a seed. And then you kept watering it, you kept feeding it, etc. And look what it's become. It's just massive. And by the way, we're not in the city, where the city trees are 100 years old. My parents live out in the suburbs. So let me get back to me. And so the lesson that I'm trying to explain is if you want to master the skill of trading, get the seeds planted now. Even if there are days that you're distracted by the rest of the summer, etc., planting the seeds now gets you your bigger tree later. Not in the fall, and now you're starting when you've got this bill to pay, the car note, the rent, the mortgage, the kids' activities, etc. Now, even if you can't necessarily work on the training and trade every day, but you get the seeds planted, right? You go through some of the basics. These 9 trading scanners are amazing. They really are. But obviously, there's entry models with them. You want to come in and you want to learn some of the entry models, and some are very easy. Very easy. And again, no income guarantees. You want to be on a demo account, and you want to practice. But we built out an entire community away from the platform. We have a private Facebook group. We have a Discord community. We do our own Q&As on Tuesdays. Leadership, including myself, are in our Discord community helping members. I'm helping members behind the scenes all the time, right? If I am blessed to bring you into our trading community, you can send me a message and you're going to get a response no matter how many folks I'm helping. You're going to get a response almost immediately as long as I'm not, sleeping. So if you're looking for a serious discount and get your seeds planted to have your tree grow later in the summer and the fall, then send me a message, right? We did 2 webinars in the last 2 days, and so many folks are coming on board. It's fantastic. But there's still some of you that are just sitting out there and say, Jeff, send me the recordings, and then do nothing with it, right? We went over 3 different scanners. We talked about the platform. We talked about the available discounts, right? You can't let fear stop you, right? Fear gets in the way all the time. I started trading 8.5 years ago, and I knew nothing about trading. Most people that come on board with me actually know a little bit more about trading than I did when I first started. And we didn't have all the resources and opportunities and scanners and all that when I first started. And we were a special group back then. And I'm still here helping folks 8.5 years later. So if you are ready to make a change and you want to dig in and you want to start planting those seeds now, reach me. And you have a discount available, but it expires in about 9 hours. So you got to reach me. I'll give you the links to the webinars. I'll give you the link to get on board, and let's get your journey started. All right? Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.